All right. These king valves are leaking. They're leaking through here and here. This unit is so old. What I'm going to do to fix this right now, I'm going to pull all the Freon out of it, reclaim it, and I'm going to tap into these lines here. I'll show you when I'm done. We're just going to get rid of the king valves. Just put taps on here, service ports, so it can just be serviced. The next time this unit probably goes out, it is going to go to the recycling bin. It's that old. But who knows? Right now we'll give it a little life. And I will show you a video on when I'm done with it. There. Alright, I just used my tubing bender and I'm bending the new angle. Get ready to make my cuts. I got a few lines here where they should come out by the time I'm done. These are the goodies. These fittings, I'm going to braze them in line, service ports. We'll go from there. Alright, there they are so far. There's the welds. Got the new taps in. Put a little insulation on here, and then I'm going to hold that down. Something that is a little high, but I can't get that bend too hard. Anyways, that's what it looks like so far. Boy, that thing's ugly. That unit. Okay, the lines are holding. Got about 131 pounds per square inch of nitrogen in there. Holding good. Nitrogen. Next will be reclaim. Pull that nitrogen out, make sure it holds a vacuum. And that should be it. Alright. Strapped it down so this thing wouldn't pop up or move around. Got the insulation around it so it would hold it for now. I'll let this open so I can put my clamps on. My temperature, pressure relations. But not ready to, there we go. It's stable. My gauge is so hot, it's like 105 today. Anyways, it says stable right there. It's time to release the Freon and start it up. Put the panel back on. This is a 30 microfarad run capacitor. That's what they look like now. If you look down there, that car battery, that thing is, that's how old this unit is. That thing is huge. I just thought it'd be cool to show that thing off. Alright, it's all welded together. I'm getting superheat of about 12.6. Temperature is about 53. Vapor saturation is 41. So there's no data plate on this unit. So I'm going about 12, 13, try to get 10 degrees of superheat. But it still lives another day. Well, that's it. And I hope this helps somebody out. And everyone have a good day.